Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in today to Izzy the Tech Guy. Today we'll quickly be discussing subqueries. So again, we're working with AdventureWorks 2022. I will be using the persons table and the email address table to demonstrate subqueries. So let's go ahead and get our SQL going. So first thing here, let's go ahead and pull up, just to demonstrate, we're going to go to Adventures Work and we're going to pull up the email table first just to show what we could do here. So email, and I'm probably going to do, okay, let's just do this and we'll do select top 10. I just want to get a quick illustration of what's in this table and we'll go from there. So okay, so we have business entity ID, email address, email, and row guide ID. So let's go ahead and see. I'm curious to see how many records we have for 2015. So I'm going to do greater than or equal to, or you know what, let's just do greater than. So if we want to see what's in 2015 greater, so we'll do 214 hyphen 1231, since that's the last day of 2014. So let's go ahead and take this top 10 out. Run this right here, and we come back with a total of 10 records. Okay, so here is going to be a good base for our subquery. So the first step, I'm going to show you what we need to do here. We're going to use a person table, so select, give it a little space here, select star. So our results from this subquery, we're expecting to get 10 rows back. So from AdventureWorks dot person dot person where, and what we're going to say here, I'm going to show you two different ways how you could do a subquery if you want to find every person that had a modified email after 2014, and so in 2015 and greater. So we'll do where business entity ID is in, and here's where the subquery comes in. And then if we go ahead and run this, oops, can be specified. So the issue I have here, I need to put business entity right here. Because what I tried to do is do where business entities in a bunch of rows. So this is one row, and I was making it look for multiple rows. So I fixed that and run this here, and here you go. So so let me just run this section here, show you. So you see only one row came back because we're looking at one row. So that was the issue. So here you see, so here's all the person's information that have an email modified date in 2014-12. Another way you could do that without using it in the where clause, we can do a join. So from this table, and then we want to do, let's do a left join. Left join, and let's say in here, let's bring back email address. Okay, so we'll do left join on this table. Bring this up here, and we'll alias this table as B, and this will be A, and then we'll do on a dot business entity at, oops, I should just press undo there. Business entity ID equals B dot business entity ID, because in B, in this table that I'm aliasing as B, there's only two rows coming back. So I have a star, so let's go ahead and execute this, and voila. Now we're getting more than, okay, so we're getting more than the 10 records I'm expecting. And if you notice here, this is come back to what we talked about a while ago, because we did a left join. So what we should do, if we just want only 10, let's do an inner join. So again, if you want to do an inner join, you can just use a join keyword. You don't have to put down left join. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this here, and then here's the 10 records we're expecting. And if you see here, we brought in the business entity ID and the email address for everything. So that's a quick way of using subqueries. Thank you for tuning in today. Like, comment, and subscribe.